Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how can you link your Facebook account with your Instagram account. The process will be quite simple and easy. The first thing is open your Instagram app. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right, and tap on these three lines, which are at the top right. And from here, tap on this first option, Account Center, and tap on this option, Sharing Across Profiles. From here, tap on this option, Add Accounts. And on the first number, you will see Add Facebook Account. Tap on this one. Because my Facebook account is already logged in my Facebook browser. So that's why I don't need to type my email address and password. And the only thing I need to do is tap on the option Continue. But when you will try to do this, then Facebook will ask about your password and email. So you have to tap on that and tap on the option Log In. So once you will log in to the Facebook, then you will redirect to the same. And after that, tap on the option Continue. And tap on the option, yes, Add Rayhan Khan. So you see, my Facebook account has been added with my Instagram. So by using this method, you can link your Facebook account with your Instagram.